I've been a musician, and as a performing musician, there's a limit to how much you can earn per time because everybody have just 24 hours. And what you do with your 24 hours determines how much money you get in the bank account. Now, what I'm trying to show you is I've been able to bring my talent and train it up to a skill on one end, but there is something that has to solve the money problem. When I heard about Forex trading in 2019, I was like, wow, this is where to go. I dedicated time and learned about it. And I tell you guys, a lot has changed.
What would you say to our viewers out there who really desire to become traders?
In trading, you have to learn before you earn. If you don't dedicate time to learn, you will end up losing all that you have. Get a mentor, learn, practice on your demo, get a good broker.
Oh,
that is very important.